Welcome back to One Day Math. This is part 4. First, combinations, or Betty goes to Europe. The format of a multiplication table is useful for showing all possible combinations of two events or categories. But don't just take my word for it. Look at the lesson card titled Combinations, or Betty goes to Europe. Look at the large table at the top of the card. Betty is packing her clothing for a trip to Europe. She will take 6 t-shirts or blouses and 6 skirts or pairs of pants. Look at the gray shaded boxes that list Betty's shirts and blouses in lowercase letters along the top of the grid. Now look at the gray shaded boxes running down the left of the grid, listing Betty's skirts and pants in uppercase letters. Betty will wear only 1 blouse or t-shirt and 1 skirt or pair of pants at a time. The top left corner shows one possible combination, a red t-shirt and red skirt. Below it is another combination, a red t-shirt and pink pants. Which box shows a green blouse and violet pants? All 6 combinations using the green blouse are listed in the 4th column. All combinations listing violet pants are in the bottom row. The box showing a green blouse and violet pants is the 4th box in the bottom row. Betty sure has a colorful wardrobe. With 6 possibilities for each category, how many combinations are possible? 6 times 6, or 36 combinations. You can see how this works using your 6 colored dice. To dress the way Betty does, pick 1 die for the shirt or blouse. Then put all 6 together and pick again for the skirt or pants. Be sure to put the first die back into the mix before you pick again. If you don't, you limit yourself to only 30 combinations, 6 choices for the first pick, and only 5 choices for the second. Suppose you put all the dice in a bag so you can't see which one you are picking. Choosing at random, how long would it take you to pick any particular combination? Say, the pink blouse and blue jeans. That's hard to predict. Theoretically, you should get that combination 1 time out of every 36. But in real life, it's possible to get that combination on your first try. It's possible to get that combination 9 times in a row. It's possible to get everything except that combination, even if you keep trying all day, every day, for a week. Remember, even if something is possible, it might not be likely. And even if something is unlikely, it can still happen. Betty's husband, Bob, is going with her to Europe. Look at the second grid to see what Bob is packing. For Bob, a complete outfit includes 1 jacket, 1 shirt, 1 tie, 1 pair of pants, and 1 pair of shoes. That's 5 categories, each with a different number of possibilities. How will you calculate the number of combinations that Bob can make? Find the number of combinations drawing a picture, or writing neatly on your scratch paper. Come back when you are ready for the answer.